Hello.
And welcome to Students to Business Day here in Belgium. Would you mind introducing yourself?
I'm Moab, product manager at Neomatics. Neomatics is a technology company in Belgium, and we develop products on the Microsoft stack.
And are most of your customers in Belgium?
The most of them, yeah. We have for some products worldwide customers, but most of them are Belgian customers. Yeah.
Okay, great. And if you hire young people, what type of roles would you hire them for?
We hire most of the time students, or fresh from school, to give them the basic training they need when they come to school. There are a lot of things. Well, they have tried a lot of things, but they are not actually well educated for development, and we try to add everything they need to fit the standards of the company. And so that's the type of, and most of the time we start with developers, right? And the best of them will become technical analysts in 4 years, 5 years time. And that's just the trajectory that you follow.
Mm-hmm. So what do you look for if you're to hire a new trainee at your organization? What's the quality of that student?
The quality is actually the ability to learn, first of all. It doesn't matter a lot from which technology they had at school or whatever, but they should be, the ability to learn should be their second nature, actually. This is an always changing world, and every 3 years we have a new technology of something. And if you are not able to keep pace with that, then you will come in problems with our company.
And why do you like working at Neomatics? What makes it a great company to work for?
Well, first of all, it's exciting. You work always with new technologies. First of all. Second, it is very flat of structure. We don't have a hierarchy. There are some things that people like or don't like. We like a lot of discipline. People should learn testing, all things that developers don't like, but they should learn that. It makes it maybe less attractive in the beginning, but at the end, after a few months working with us, they see also that there's a part that most of the time they didn't have at school, but that there's also a part that is very important to complete your craftsmanship of being a developer. And developer is still craftsmanship and not technology almost.
So if you had to talk to faculty across Belgium, what would you tell them they're not teaching, what they should teach more of?
What they don't teach actually now is the craftsmanship about what is good development, what is good structure of development, what is a good program, what those are the qualities of delivering a good product. Most of the time, they learn Java or .NET or whatever product thing. Most of the time it is outdated. That is okay, it's less minor, but especially they are missing the skills of what is a good program or what is a good architect or good analyst. They see a lot of things, but they don't see the interaction of all those domains with each other. And that would be great if the faculties will give more attention to that part of development. And don't see it as a pure technical something.
And how long have you been at Neomatics?
10 years now.
And so do you appreciate it as a great place to work? Did you work somewhere before coming to a relatively small company, or have you always worked in small organizations?
I'm the owner or of Neomatics, so before that I had another company, 10 years also.
So you have a startup.
Yes, okay.
That's great. So you didn't have to work for someone, you worked for yourself.
Yeah, it's my own company. Yeah.
So what inspired you to start your own company?
What inspired me? I don't know. Being in business, developing things that people really need, and finding solutions for problems on my own way. There was a lot of things that you saw about 10 years ago, 15 years ago. There was still a lot of mainframe, there was still a lot of misuse of technology. And I was thinking, well, we can do it better if you look at the technology and use the appropriate technology in the right way, then you can gain a lot of profit from it than what was happening at the time in the industry.
So when you were a student, what did you want to do?
Sorry?
What did you want to do when you were a student? What was your dream?
My dream, well, what I'm doing now. I realized my dream, so there's no thing about being in the informatics in my own business. So.
That's fantastic. That's really great. Thank you for sharing that story with me. I really appreciate it. Excellent. Anything else you think that we should tell the students of the world or the
for the students
faculty
of the world? The students of the world, think about it. It's a very, very small world, changing very, very fast. Actually, today I saw a clip on YouTube. It's called "Shift Happens," and that was just great. It's an eye-opener, and I think every student in the world should look at the world from that perspective. And it's not the world of our parents, certainly not the world of our grandparents, and it will be a world that we cannot imagine today.
Thank you again. Awesome.
Yeah.
Very, very good presentation.